Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Alawi from Forex Beginners Academy, and I want to say thanks to Mr. Saad Ali for providing us free Forex training. It's a, it's a very good course, and I feel like it's a paid course, but it's free. Yeah, because it has everything you should know about trading, step by step, from the very beginning to become a profitable trader. And I've learned a lot of things that help me, like the support and resistance, market structure, Fibonacci retracements, a lot of things, and a lot of ideas, and a lot of important things that I should know. And emotion control, and money management, other things that help me a lot. But the one thing that is so useful is the student group that he created, uh, which is help other students to progress faster, make fast progression in their learn, because we learn from each other, and that help us to progress faster. So I want to thank Mr. Sabari again.